dreams have always fascinated and intrigued us, offering a glimpse into our subconscious minds. Among the myriad of dream scenarios, dreaming about eating at a buffet holds a unique significance. Buffets often symbolize abundance, indulgence, and choice. As we explore the depths of this dream motif, we delve into the hidden meanings that could be associated with this symbol-rich experience. Dreaming about eating at a buffet often represents a desire for abundance in one's life. A buffet is a place where an array of food spreads before us, signifying a plethora of choices and opportunities. This dream can indicate a subconscious longing for variety, options, and fulfillment in various aspects of life, such as career, relationships, or personal growth. It may serve as a reminder to embrace the abundance that life offers and to make the most of the opportunities available. The buffet dream can also reflect the need to make choices or decisions. The vast selection of dishes at a buffet mirrors the myriad choices we encounter in our waking lives. Dreaming of being at a buffet might signify the dilemma of choosing between various possibilities or the fear of missing out on opportunities. It encourages self-reflection and a deeper exploration of one's desires and priorities. This dream can serve as a reminder to trust oneself and make choices that align with personal values and aspirations. Food is not only a physical necessity but also a source of emotional nourishment. Dreaming about eating at a buffet can signify a desire for emotional fulfillment, contentment, and satisfaction. It may suggest a need to indulge in self-care, express creativity, or seek out experiences that bring joy and fulfillment. This dream can serve as a reminder to prioritize emotional well-being and find healthy ways to nourish the soul. While buffets are associated with abundance, dreaming about eating at a buffet can also reflect concerns about overindulgence and excess. It may symbolize a fear of losing control or being overwhelmed by choices and opportunities. This dream could be a subconscious warning against overextending oneself or indulging in unhealthy habits. It serves as a reminder to maintain balance and moderation in various aspects of life. Buffets are often associated with social gatherings and communal dining experiences. Dreaming about eating at a buffet may symbolize the importance of social connections and relationships. It could reflect a desire to connect with others, strengthen existing bonds, or explore new connections. This dream encourages the dreamer to foster meaningful relationships and participate actively in their social circle. Dreams about eating at a buffet are rich in symbolism, offering insight into our desires, choices, and emotional needs. Such dreams evoke a longing for abundance, exploration, and self-fulfillment, whether representing a desire for variety, a need for emotional nourishment, or a reminder of the importance of balance. Buffet dreams encourage us to reflect on our lives and make conscious choices that align with our aspirations. Understanding the hidden meanings behind these dreams can provide valuable guidance for personal growth, leading to a more fulfilling and purposeful life. If you want more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.